Chocolate-covered cherry cake complete with homemade cherry cordials. If you ever wanted to know how to get those liquid centers into a chocolate-covered cherries, well, the answer is time. Time and patience is what you need. Chocolate-covered cherries need time for the sugar to turn to liquid, and for me, this took about a month. Yes, I started these the first week of January with a simple 3-ingredient fondant sugar dough that gets wrapped around each maraschino cherry, and then this dough will eventually break down to liquid sugar inside of the chocolate shell. So you will need some good quality chocolate couverture for dipping. I've tempered my chocolate, and I do have a full-length video tutorial on how to temper chocolate if you have never done that before. That really is an important step to master when you're making confections and chocolates like this one. So otherwise you could use a non-tempering chocolate, and I link to everything that you will need on my website as usual at GretchensVeganBakery.com. So I am double dipping just to make sure that I have a nice sturdy shell, because sometimes when you make cordials like this, you'll have some of that liquid eventually trying to seep out. So a double dip will make sure that this won't happen. Now just store them away for several weeks and let the magic happen. Now I checked mine at 2 weeks, and you can see that they were still white and creamy inside, but the sugar dough definitely is starting to break down. So just tuck them away for another couple of weeks, and hopefully these will be ready in time for Valentine's Day. The moment of truth. Let's cut into one of these chocolate covered cherries and see just what's going on inside after 4 weeks of waiting. After the 2-week cut, I was not expecting anything to happen inside of here, but look at all of this liquid. I mean, I do see some of the white specks and some of that creaminess, and I suspect that after a couple more weeks of waiting, the whole thing will turn to liquid. So if you have the time and the patience and you want to try the homemade cherry cordials, then absolutely give yourself at least a month ahead of time. And if not, you can still pull off this stunning cherry chocolate cake. I mean, just look at this. If a picture speaks 1,000 words, this cake will not shut up. I am telling you, you have to try this recipe. Head over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab everything that you're going to need to pull this off. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.